Hi, I'm Lisa the Boatanista, owner of the Freedom Boat Club Jacksonville. We have 80 boats for your use with 3 fantastic locations: Julington Creek, Jacksonville Beach, and St. Augustine. Thank you so much for checking out our club. And I want to answer all of your questions. But as you can see, I'm getting ready to go out on a boat and I don't have a pen or paper with me. So could you just do me a favor? Just take a second. Fill out this form. I know it can be annoying to have to fill out a form, but we're going to give you an incentive, $500 off on your membership just for filling out the form, and we're going to keep all of your information secure. So if I'm still out on the boat when I get your questions, I am going to make sure that one of my membership executives gets in touch with you and gets you all of your answers. And remember, at Freedom Boat Club, your boat is always waiting.